Hello, my name is Laura Hess, and today I will be reviewing Make Believe's comic. Now, Make Believe's comic is a free-to-use website in which students, teachers, and parents can create fun little comics. Now, teachers could create a comic to introduce a new topic to engage students, or they could assign the students with a project in which they have to demonstrate their understanding through the creation of a comic. So I made a comic about the scientific method. So you can see I wrote out different steps in way of a fun little story. I added pictures and images, and students, they could add more to this, add more colors, add more text boxes, add more objects, and really get creative and express themselves creatively through this assessment, while also demonstrating their understanding of the scientific method. So it's a great way for teachers to differentiate their instruction and use a different form of formative assessment and allow the students to express their creativity. Now we also have these pre-made comics in which teachers can print them out and students can color in pictures. This looks like it is generally for a younger age group. If you look here, students can color in environmental heroes and why they are environmental heroes, things like that. So it can inspire them to be engaged in different topics. Now, as educators, we do have to worry about our privacy policies and our COPPA compliance of websites. We need to make sure our students' information is safe and that our students are using safe websites. So if we scroll down to the bottom and we go to the privacy policy right here, here we have our privacy policy. We can learn about the information that is collected and what happens with that information. So one piece of information that is collected is email addresses. It is not required to enter an email address, but students would be prompted to enter one, either to create an account in order to save their work or to send their work to themselves. Now, prompting the students to provide an email address does count as collecting information under COPPA. So since they are collecting that information and they are not restricting the age of students or asking for parental consent, then that means that this website is not COPPA compliant. So that is something that we need to think about as educators, whether or not we would want to use this website when they're collecting students' email address in a way that is not COPPA compliant. Additionally, you may have seen it during my video that this website does sell information to ad companies. It says this in the privacy policy. So I would stay away from having students using websites that is collecting data on them and selling them to ad companies. But as you can see, I have ads at the top of my screen. So it is showing that this website is working with ad companies to sell our information. So although creating comics seems like a fun way to differentiate instruction, I would veer away from using this website because it does not meet COPPA compliance. Thank you.